All right, so I'm going to show you how to access your Google Classroom app and your random student picker. So first thing you need to do is appreciate my daughter's screenshot that she put there on the back of my phone. So I'm going to find my Google Classroom app, which is down in the bottom right hand quadrant next to Dollar General and Bitmoji. I open that. And right now I'm signed in as Jennifer, my personal account. So I'm going to go up to that little circle at the top. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to switch it to my Watertown CSD account. I have several accounts because I like to keep track of my own children's Google Classrooms from my phone at any time. Mwahaha, right? Okay, so as soon as this is done loading, all right, I'm going to try and just pick one and see if I can get it to work. So I want to pick one that I'm a teacher of, not a student. So any of these I think will work. I'm going to pick this one. Okay, so you're going to see that on the app, it looks a little different maybe than it does on your computer screen. But regardless of what's loading here, I want to focus on the bottom right-hand corner, the people little choice. So I'm going to click on people. And that's going to bring me a list of people that participated in the Redesigning Your Instruction over the summer. Up at the top right-hand corner, there's these 4 little squares. One of them is on an angle shaped like a diamond. So I'm going to click on that. That is Student Selector. And that I can start selecting a student randomly for my classes. So if I hit Start, it's Eric Hauk. Guess what? He's absent, so I'm going to click Absent. So it's not going to come back again. My next one is Gerard Downey. So as you can see, I can click Next, and it's going to tell me who my different students are that I'm calling on. I have 4 that were picked, 0 that were not picked, 1 absent, and I can start again. Okay? Or I can reset it, reset the session, reset, and it'll kind of clear it all out for me. So anyway, that's random student name picker. And again, it's only on the app on your phone. Okay, hopefully